Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be talking about autocorrection behavior in text fields. So let me go ahead and create an example. So we're going to call this example 5. Okay, so let's talk about autocorrect behavior. So basically, text fields by default autocorrects the value that user has entered according to their locale. But if you need to disable this feature, you can use disable autocorrection modifier, and basically it'll simply disable the autocorrection behavior. Okay, so text fields where you're expecting users to type their first name, last name, username. Some of the examples, these are some of the examples where, like, you may want to basically disable autocorrection feature. Then you can simply decorate your text field with this modifier. So let's go ahead and try this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply say disable autocorrection, and we're gonna mark it true, okay, for just the title. Okay, and with that, let's go ahead and run the project. And for the first one, we don't have any autocorrect enabled. So as you can see, we are typing something, and it's not being autocorrected. Whereas if I type in all the others, I'm gonna actually see the autocorrect behavior. For example, I'm gonna get the suggestions and basically opportunity to autocorrect. Okay, so this is the way you can enable or disable autocorrect behavior on your text field. All right, so let's use disable autocorrection if you need to disable autocorrection. That's the default behavior on text field. All right, this is it for this video. In the next video, we are going to be talking about borders and text fields. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.